I will not sell my toy collection. If I did, I would weep. Who's to say what you need and what you don't? On a desert island, they're the things I'll keep. Some children had their parents read them stories. Well, I heard mine directly from the source. Captain Kirk shared his tales and glories while fighting a deadly force. Who's to say when you get older you don't need a toy collection? Who's to say when you get older that you have to follow convention? Blackbeard told me of his troubled mother, and with his songs he'd sing me off to sleep. And he said, Superman,